Hello friends, we are going to do calendar together today. So let's get started. First, can you find for me on your screen the purple star? The purple star is on the number 29 because today is the 29th day of September. All right, let's move on to today's date. Today's date is Tuesday, September 29th, 2020. Can you say that for me? Great job. Now let's say it together. Today's date is Tuesday, September 29th, 2020. All right, so I'm going to move to the green box. The green box says today is. Can you remind me, what day is it today? Today is Tuesday, so I'm going to put the Tuesday in the green box. All right, now let's move up to the pink box. The pink box says yesterday was. If today is Tuesday, then that means that yesterday was Monday. Fantastic. So I'm going to put Monday in the pink box. All right. Now let's move on to the blue box. The blue box says tomorrow will be. If today is Tuesday, then that means tomorrow will be Wednesday. So I'm going to put Wednesday in the blue box. All right. Now I'm going to read it all together and then you're going to read it along with me. All right. So I start off up at the pink box. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. All right. Now let's read it together. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Great job. Now let's move to the weather report. The forecast for today is cloudy. Can you take a look for me outside and tell me, is it cloudy today? All right. Now that you're back, we're going to move on to the pink box. The pink box says the temperature, and the temperature for today is 68 degrees. Let's take a look at the red line. Whoa, our red line has gone down quite a bit. So that means that it's getting a little bit cooler outside. It is not as warm anymore. It is fall, so that means it's time to start bundling up. All right, let's now move to the weather graph. Can you remind me, what is the forecast for today? It's cloudy, so I'm going to put a yellow rectangle in the cloudy row. All right, let's count how many yellow rectangles there are in the cloudy row. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've had 7 cloudy days in September. How many more yellow rectangles are there than blue rectangles? We're going to count all the blank spaces up to where my mouse is over here. So this will be the last box that we count. We will not keep counting after that one. All right, let's count together the blanks. Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've had 6 more cloudy days than rainy days in September. Very cool. Now let's move on to the number of days in school. We've been using 10 frames to help us count the number of days in school. How many 10 frames have we filled up completely so far? How many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. We have filled up 3 10 frames together so far. So now we are working on filling up our 4th 10 frame. Let's count how many days of school we've had together. First, we're going to count the orange stars in the first 10 frame. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Now let's count the purple stars in the second 10 frame. If the last number that we just counted together was 10, then what number comes after 10? 11. So now this star will be number 11, and then we are going to keep counting on from there. Are you ready? Let's do it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. All right, now we're going to count the number of light blue stars in the third 10 frame. The last number that we just said was 20. So which number will this star be? What number comes after 20? 21. So now this star will be number 21, and then we are going to keep counting on from there. Are you ready? Count with me. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Awesome job. We are almost done. So the last number that we just counted was 30. So now which number comes after 30? 31. So this green circle will be number 31, and then we are going to keep counting on from there. Are you ready? Count with me. 31, 32, 33, 34. So we have had 34 days of school so far. Now let's count how many more days of school we need to have until we fill up 4 10 frames. So we're going to count the blanks. All right, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after 6 more days of school, we will fill up 4 10 frames. I'm so excited. All right, now we're going to move on to pattern work. I'm so excited to work with letters today. Oh my, where did our letters go? We're not working with letters anymore. We're working with something different. What are we going to be working with today? Today we are going to be working with numbers. I know that the numbers are different colors, but you guys are pros at your colors, so we're going to work on numbers for our patterns. So first we're going to read the first pattern. Are you ready? Let's read it together. 1, 5, 1, 5. Which number goes on this blank? The last number before the blank is a number 5. So that means that this blank will be a number that comes after the number 5, somewhere else in the pattern. So now I'm going to look in the pattern to see which number comes after the number 5. I see the number 1. Do you think that the number 1 goes on this blank? I think it does, so I'm going to put the number 1 on this blank. This looks right to me. Does it look good? All right, now let's say the whole pattern together. All right, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1. Great job. Now let's move on to the second pattern. All right, let's say the whole thing together. 4, 2, 4, 2. Which number goes on this blank? The number before the blank is a number 2. So that means that this blank will be a number that comes after the number 2. So let's look to see if there's somewhere in the pattern a number that comes after the number 2. Oh, I see a number 4 after the number 2. Do you think that the number 4 goes on this blank? I think it does, so I'm going to put the number 4 on this blank. This looks right to me. How about you? Awesome. Now let's read the whole pattern together. All right, let's do it. 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Great job. Now we only have one pattern left. All right, we're going to say the whole pattern together. 6, 3, 3, 6. Which number do you think goes on this pattern? It goes on this blank. Sorry about that. Well, first I'm going to look at which number comes before the blank. I see a number 6. So that means that this number on the blank will be a number that comes after the number 6, somewhere else in this pattern. So now let's look if there's a number after number 6, somewhere else. Oh, I see the number 3 after a number 6. Do you think that the number 3 can go on this blank? I think so. So I'm going to put the number 3 on this blank. This looks right to me. What do you think? Perfect. So let's say the whole pattern together. 6, 3, 3, 6, 3. Great job today. You did such a good job working with numbers. Thank you so much for helping me with calendar today. I hope that you have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye!